Hey, what's up friends, you are watching A2M Tech, and today on this video I will show you how we can enable dark mode on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, right click on your desktop and select personalize. Now here you can see all these options on the left side. Click on colors. Now scroll down and here you can see your default app mode. So we have two options here. One is light and the other is dark. So if you select this dark option here, it will enable the dark mode on Windows 10. So let's see the file explorer here. So this is the file explorer on dark mode. So you can see when we select the light option, it will change the color of both apps and on the file explorer. So if you like the dark color on your Windows, then you can enable dark mode from here. So this is how we can enable dark mode on Windows 10. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.